Greetings, friends. Greetings, community. Greetings, greetings. All the love, and just all the respect to you all. The donations, the support, everything that you all have done, we greatly appreciate from myself and Vision. Thank you. To Dr. Harold Bailey and the NAACP, we really appreciate your support. The NAACP and Dr. Harold Bailey has been counseling us on the many things that we must do to keep on pressing this matter forward. So we have major gratitude to Dr. Harold Bailey and the NAACP. We also want to just continue to push this GoFundMe because we have not reached our goals. We need more help and more shares and whatever it'll take to just get us to our goals. So we just, again, just thank y'all for your love, your support, and keep following us because we're trying to really put everything together so that everyone can continue moving forward in grace and abundance. So thank y'all and all the love. Peace.